Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to be adding transparency to objects and planes in Blender. First thing I'm going to do is go into the render properties, go down to color management, change it from filmic to standard, then go to film and add a transparent background. Now I'm going to go onto the workspace window, press Z and go to rendered, so we get the view of the object and the plane. And while we're in object mode, we're going to go to the material properties tab, select the cube. We are going to click new. It will come up principled BSDF. We're going to change random walk to Christensen Burley. With the base color, you can choose whatever you'd like. We're going to scroll down, and where it says blend mode, we're going to change it from opaque to alpha blend. From alpha blend, you'll see alpha in the tab above. From here, you can change the transparency levels. It may sometimes look a bit weird depending on how you got your preview set up. For that, just click backface culling. If you'd like the color to be more vibrant, then above the alpha, where we've just brought it down to make the cube more transparent, click on the emissions, raise this white dot on the sidebar all the way up, then select your color from the gradients available here. Then, same as before, if you want it more transparent, bring it down, slide it down. Now we're going to move on to making a plane transparent. So from object mode, we're going to go into edit mode, which you can use either the drop down box and click edit mode, or press tab to switch between object mode and edit mode. We're going to select the plane from the right hand side on the timeline. And what I've done earlier was inset the edges to make the frame. And what we're going to do is click face select. We're going to click on the central face. I'm going to scroll to the top here. We're going to add new, which will give us another principled BSDF. We're going to click assign, which will assign it to what we have selected for the face. Then once again, from random walk to Christensen Burley. Scroll down. Blend mode from opaque to alpha blend. No need for the backface culling. Then on the alpha section, we're just going to bring that down again, which will give us our transparency. Bring it up, or down. And that's a basic way of adding transparency to an object or single plane in Blender. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.